Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Back up your important files and make sure the battery is at least half charged. Once done, disconnect the SIM and micro SD to protect data and sign out of your Google and Huawei accounts if possible. This prevents factory reset protection from locking you out. Now go to Settings, select System, tap Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Follow the prompts. This first path is the quickest when the phone is responsive and lets you preserve account access afterward. If the phone won't boot or settings is inaccessible, use recovery mode instead. Power the device off, then press and hold volume up and power together until the Huawei logo appears. Once in recovery, use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset and press power to confirm. This erases user data and resets system settings. Make sure you wait through the full wipe sequence. Interrupting it can leave the software unstable. After completion, choose Reboot System Now to continue. After wiping, reboot and go through the initial setup steps. Connect Wi-Fi, sign into your Google and Huawei accounts, and restore your backup to get apps and data back. Make sure to reinsert the SIM and micro SD only after setup is stable. If setup stops at factory reset protection, you must enter the previously used Google account credentials. Without them, the device stays locked. If credentials are unavailable, try that account recovery or connect to High Suite on a PC for additional support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.